Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English. In today's video, our topic is how to format a corrupted or unformatable partition. So in this video, I will tell you the complete method how to format it. It is very easy and simple to use. And for your information that all the data in the partition will be lost. So let's start. First of all, we will open the computer. My computer, and we will look, this is the drive. If we will click on it, it will say format disk, that you may have to format the disk in the case you want to use it. We'll click on it, it's a format. We will click on start to format it, also click on OK, but the computer says that the disk could not be formatted, and you as can see that this type of message appears in the front of you. And it also says that Windows can't format disk, that you can read it. It says that check that it is not read protected, read only. We will right click and then click on manage to open the management window. The time required to open the management window depends on the performance of your PC's hardware, okay, and it usually takes some time to open. So this type of window will appear in the front of you. As we know, it is a storage partition, so we will click on the option storage, and we will now click on disk management, connect and open your hard drives or local disk. And this is the corrupted or unformatable partition. We will right click on it to format it. And for example, if I open it, it also says that, so make it proof that it is that one. So we will click on option, and look, if you try to format it, because there is also a formatable option available, you can use it. You can try it if you want, but deleting the partition is the best way. So I will click on the option delete, click on yes, and the partition has been deleted. It's a unallocated space. You can see the partition is no longer available. We will click on new simple volume. The wizard opens, click on next and choose the size of the partition you want, and next, and you can choose the letter you want to drive, and next. And don't forget to change it from exFAT from NTFCs, because NTFCs can make problem sometimes formatting. We use exFAT, it is better. And next, and simply on finish. And look, it has created a healthy partition, primary partition, okay, but because it is a primary and it is formatted with exFAT, it is not be eligible for installing Windows. Look, the partition is fixed and it is easy to use, ready to use, so you can use it easily. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. See you next time. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and like or share the video please, and meet you in the next videos. Bye.